Welcome to this 10-minute seated yoga stretch. You can do this practice without a yoga mat, just on the carpet. All poses are seated, and we'll begin in a cross-legged sit. Find a comfortable position with your spine nice and long. Relax your shoulders, hands on the knees, and begin to move your head up and down. With inhale, lift your head up, lengthen the front of the neck, and exhale, drop your chin to the chest, lengthening the back of the neck. Keep moving slowly. Inhale up, exhale down. Just moving the neck, the rest of the spine stays still. One more time, inhale, lift your chin. Exhale, drop the chin down and bring your head back to center. Turn your head to the left and then to the right, moving the head side to side, stretching the sides of the neck, and the breath keeps flowing on its own, in and out. Bring your head back to center and start circling the head, making half circles from shoulder to shoulder or full circles if that feels good for your neck. Slow, gentle movements. Feel free to close your eyes and just enjoy this stretch. Feeling in your body which parts of the neck feel tight or tense. Change the direction of your circles if you didn't yet. Slowly bring your head back to center. Interlace your fingers, press your palms away from you. Inhale, lift your arms, lengthen through the sides of the body. Exhale, round the upper back, drop chin to chest. Inhale, reach your arms up, find more length. And exhale, round, press the palms away from you. Move with the breath. Inhale, lift the arms, and exhale, round. Inhale to reach your arms up again, and exhale, twist to the left, right hand to your left knee. With inhale, lift your heart to find more length. With exhale, twist a bit more in the upper back. Come back to center. Inhale, press your palms up. Exhale, twist to the right. Look back over your right shoulder. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist a bit more. Come back to center. Interlace your fingers one more time. Inhale. Exhale, release your arms down. Switch the cross of your legs so that the another shin is now in front. Keep hands on the knees and start circling your upper body forward, to the side, back, and to the other side. Making big circles over your hips, leaning forward to the side, back, to the other side. Moving intuitively here. Again, feel free to close your eyes if you like. A few more times in this direction. And then change direction, moving to the other side. Come back to center. And from here, straighten your left leg out to the side. Pull your right heel closer to the groin. Left foot is flexed, toes point up. Grab your left ankle or shin and reach your right arm over the head for a big side stretch and maybe also a hip stretch. Notice where you feel this pose in your body. Take another big full breath. And release. Turn towards your right knee for pigeon. Straighten your left leg behind you. Move the hips side to side to settle in. And slowly lower to your forearms. Or maybe all the way down. Relax your forehead to the mat on top of your hands. With every breath, allow your body to become heavier and sink down into the mat. Slowly come up to your hands. Come back into seated position. Straighten the right leg out to the side and pull your left heel towards the groin. For this side stretch, hold your right ankle, shin or foot and reach your left arm over the head. Take a few deep, full breaths. Release and come up to seated. Turn towards your left knee. Straighten the right leg behind you. Soften the hips, the legs, and then the upper body down towards the floor. Allow your body to relax into this position. Slowly come up to your hands. Find your seated pose again. And to finish this practice in butterfly, bring your soles of the feet together and pull your heels as close to the groin as comfortable. Hold your ankles, lean forward and gently press the knees out with the elbows. Or as alternative option, you can keep your hands or fingertips behind you. To help you lift the heart up, keep the spine long. Choose the variation that gives you the best stretch and stay there for a few more breaths. Slowly release and cross your shins to come back into a cross-legged sit, just like we started. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. Exhale, palms together to your heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed this seated stretch. I wish you a great day and see you in the next video. Bye!